Hello and welcome to this another video for Easy 104 Azure Administration. In this video we are going to discuss about one more important topic for Azure Administration, which is configuring and managing Azure resources. So for that we need to leverage Azure tools, available tools, and perform efficient cloud operations. Okay, so we should have access to proper resources in Azure cloud to perform efficient cloud operations. Okay. So Azure offers versatile tools for resource management tailored to different user preferences. So there can be different types of users who will be given admin access, right? And they have to manage the resources in different ways. So Azure provides different tools, at least three or more tools, to give different experience to these users. So these tools enhance the efficiency, consistency, and automation in cloud operation. So these are the tools which will help with proper cloud operations, and for that uh, those are built for providing good experience and efficiency to users. Okay. Now in Azure Portal we have unified resource management. Okay, Azure Portal is one of the common ways for tool and resource administration. So um, it provides centralized web-based management interface. Okay, you will see everything on the UI at a common place. It has intuitive design for all skill levels. So it is designed in a way that even a new users are able to find the required information or the required quick starts, or find the tools for trainings, all the different things that can be found within that can be useful within Azure can be found from Azure Portal. So it is very useful for visualizing and managing resources interactively. Okay. So Azure Portal features, common features are custom dashboards. So we will have a proper dashboard which we will be able to personalize and monitor the key resources on the dashboard. Okay. So we can have different resources as per our requirements and personalize them. Okay. Integrated training, so tutorials and documentations within the reach. So we will have access to required training and tutorial and documentation. Okay. A mobile app, um, manage resources anytime, anywhere. Okay. So mobile app will give us access so that we are able to manage resources from anywhere. Okay. Cloud shell access, so direct command line from portal. So cloud shell access is like it can also be accessed from the Azure portal and it will give us a direct command line which can be opened from within the portal. Okay. So what is Azure Cloud Shell? Azure Cloud Shell is a browser accessible authenticated shell. It offers Bash and PowerShell environments. So within Cloud Shell, there are two main environments, Bash and PowerShell. Okay. So for now, let us just remember that part. Okay. It is ideal for users preferring command line tools. Okay. So Shell will give us access to different command line tools. Azure Cloud Shell features. So pre-installed tools and modules are there, okay, for the Cloud Shell. So configurable persistent storage. So when we start the Cloud Shell and we want to start running commands, it will ask us for a persistent storage information and we can configure it It can be one of our file share and in a storage account. So Azure Cloud Shell gives us configurable persistent storage. And it has pre-installed tools and modules because that is one advantage. Otherwise, we will need to install all the required tools and it comes with pre-installed required tools and modules. It also has built-in code editor for real-time script editing. So this very good feature. It's built-in code editor which will give a like a Visual Studio kind of editor interface, and we will be able to do real-time script editing. Okay. And it will allow us to have a file upload or download capability. Okay. Azure PowerShell and CLI. Now designed these PowerShell and CLI are accessible from within Cloud Shell. Okay, and they are designed for scripting and automation. So PowerShell is very rich in commandlet library, get easy resource group libraries. Okay, and CLI cross-platform interactive scripted usage. So it is for cross-platform and interactive scripting. Okay. And it streamlines resource creation, configuration, and deletion. So it allows us, okay, PowerShell, it allows us, or CLI, it allows us for resource creation, configuration, and deletion. Advantages of Azure Dashboard. Now, coming back a little bit about Azure Dashboard, it allows us for custom views. So we will be able to add metrics, for our visualization, we will be able to add different monitoring metrics. We will be able to track any real-time data across Azure, across different resources in Azure. Okay, we will be able to see the real-time data, and it will allow us for team collaboration. So we can also share our dashboard among the users. So which is a feature. Suppose we create a custom dashboard and it is very useful for us, and we think it will be useful for other users as well, then we can share the dashboard itself with the other users for collaboration. And one more part about Azure resources is that on the interface itself, Azure Portal interface itself, you can go and select support and troubleshooting tools. So it has like service health dashboards. It has diagnostic access to diagnostic tools like Network Watcher, App Insights, okay, which are like built-in tools, and it has efficient issue resolution workflows. So very useful for issue resolutions. So in conclusion, Azure empowers users with flexible tools for all management styles. Okay, so it allows us to have a unified portal, Azure Portal, a command line access, and automation tools enhance productivity of the users. Okay, so both from portal you can access many resources. From command line tools you can have accessibility, and you can also build automation tools. Scalability and adaptability for enterprise needs. So this is it gives us different ways to scale our operations, and also allows us to uh, adapt our access to different resources for our enterprise needs. Okay. So yeah, those are the main points about Azure resources and tools for Azure administration.